Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn what a dictionary attack is, see real examples, and learn how to protect ourselves. Imagine a diary with a small lock that opens using a short word. A dictionary attack means trying common words one by one until the lock opens. In the digital world, the hacker uses a computer to try a huge list of common passwords quickly. Here's how it works. First, the hacker starts with a dictionary file that contains common words, names, and leaked passwords. Next, a program tries each word by entering it into the login screen. If the word matches the real password, the login succeeds, and the attacker gets in. Let's see a few examples of dictionary attacks. First, common words like apple or football. Second, common substitutions like $sign as SW0 or D. Third, hackers use leaked password lists from older hacks. Dictionary attacks are different from brute force. Brute force tries every possible combination of letters and numbers, which is slow but guaranteed. Dictionary attacks only try likely passwords, which is much faster, but only works if your password is common. To protect yourself, avoid dictionary words, make passwords long using a passphrase, and enable multi-factor authentication. These steps make dictionary attacks much less effective. That is a dictionary attack in a nutshell. If you keep your password unique and strong, these attacks will fail. Thanks for watching.